I was born a culinary genius. Now, let me tell you a little secret. When I was 2 years old, I secretly created the most delicious, yummy, creamy mustard sauce ever made with my mother's breast milk. That sauce was the talk of the town. Well, until they discovered it was made with breast milk, but isn't that amazing though? I mean, I was only 2 years old. It's like, I didn't know how to talk yet. The only words I knew were, "Mommy, teddies please." At first, I was amazed by my own exceptional culinary talent, but then my mom told me that I am a descendant of the godfather of modern French cuisine, Antoine Carême. I possess a cordon bleu degree. The cordon bleu is the holy grail of the culinary business. I got mine through the California Culinary Arts. It took me 7 years to complete their prestigious 3-year cordon bleu program only because my outside-the-box thinking was misunderstood by the school staff. But I promise you that someday they will build a monument in my honor at that same school. I guarantee it.